Hi, my name is Steve. I'm with Premier HVAC Mechanical Corporation here in Peachtree Corners, Georgia. And today I would like to talk to you about indoor air quality products. I know there is a lot of products out in the marketplace, and there is some confusion on which products are best for your home, your situation, and your specific needs. So I'd like to go over some of the applications and products that we carry here with Premier HVAC Mechanical Corp. Please, if you like our content, please hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. It helps with the algorithms to keep us relevant. So the first one I'd like to talk to you about is just a standard UV lamp. UV lamps, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but it has a picture of an indoor coil, which is what this is right here. This is what sits on top of your furnace. These UV lamps are 24 volts, so it's going to have a lesser wattage to it. But it does a great job in just keeping your indoor coil clean. Now I see a lot of people install these in the return. The correct location for these UV lamps, this style, is actually to go above or into the coil itself. These UV lamps are designed to kill bacteria, microbials, mold, VOCs that is on the coil and in the drain pan. It also helps with the dirty sock syndrome, that little dirty sock smell you get sometimes in your home in the spring and fall. It helps with that, and it helps just to keep everything clean. Also helps keep corrosion down on your indoor coils. The reason these are designed to be on the coils themselves is, like I said, specifically just to keep the coils clean. Where I see these installed in the return air, the return air, the airflow going across these UV lamps is simply just going over the UV lamp too fast to actually kill the bacteria in the air. It's just too fast of airflow. So it's not really doing a lot of good when you put them in the return. So this really needs to go in the supply above the coil, or it can actually go in the coil itself. Depends on which manufacturer you have as the best application for that. That's why these are really, should be a pro installing these instead of a do-it-yourselfer. So our next product that we offer is the Remy Halo LED. So this one is more of a air purification. It's a whole home air purification system. It has the bipolar ionization technology to it. So what this does, you can actually put this anywhere. You can put it in the return duct, you can put it in the supply, downstream a little bit in the supply. But what this does is it actually puts ions out into the airstream. Okay, that's why it doesn't really matter where you put it, return or supply. So it puts the ions out into the air. So as long as your blower motor is running, it is always putting these ions out into the air, and it kills VOCs and microbials and mold and bacteria on the surface of your home. So it actually goes out into the air, gets onto your furniture, countertops. It's great for hospitals. Hospitals use these a lot. Doctors' offices, we've installed a lot of these in doctors' offices. So it just helps kill bacteria and mold out into your home. So that's why this one doesn't matter where you put it, return or supply. So our next product that we have is kind of a best of both worlds. It's our Premier One product. So this one, you can do a odor oxidizer, which is what the Remy Halo has. You can do the UV lamp, which the Remy Halo does not have, which you can put above your coil. And then you can also do this polarized 1-inch filter, okay? So this polarized 1-inch filter, so what it does is you tie it into the 24 volts to your control board, and it puts an electrical charge out into the system. Right here, if you can see the band inside there, so it puts an electrical charge in here. And you've always heard of MERV ratings on filters. So they always say the higher the MERV rating, the smaller particulates it will catch in the filter. Well, a lot of times when you use those thicker MERV ratings, they actually cut down on your airflow, which is bad on your system. It causes the static pressure on your system to be incorrect. It can also hurt your blower motor because it's not getting enough airflow. What this does, you don't have the high MERV rating, but when you clump the smaller particulates together, which is what this electrical charge does, it takes all the small dust molecules and it clumps them together into bigger molecules. So when you do that, it makes it so that a regular filter without the thickness can catch all the dust molecules that's in your house. So like I said, it just clumps them together. The electrical charge clumps together, makes them bigger, okay, and then it catches it. So these, that comes with a gate, so you can close the gate, and these actually can go in place of your 1-inch filter. And all you have to do is take your 1-inch filter out, and here again, it depends on the brand of equipment that you have, of how it would fit. Like on our Carrier equipment, you cannot put it, I know a lot of people have their filters inside the furnace. Well, the way the Carrier furnace is designed, you cannot put this inside because Carrier, which is what I like, has a separate compartment for the blower motor. So your return is right here. So with that in mind, you have to have an exterior filter rack. This is a 16 by 25. So it takes the place of your 16 by 25. So we have an exterior filter rack right here. You pull that out, then you slide this in its place. So it will just slide in, and your wire hangs out right here. It goes into, wires into your control board. So that's how it's wired into the 24 volts. So the reason I say this is the best of all worlds, of course it's the most expensive one of the 3 options that we have right now, is just because it has the odor oxidizer right here, puts the ions out into the air, has a UV lamp. You can also do 2 UV lamps if you need 2. And then this, you don't have to do this together with that, but it would make it a complete system with this 1-inch polarized filter. Have any questions, or if you're in our service area, please contact us. Our website is www.supercoolguys.com, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.